Ready to make your PDFs a whole lot more dynamic? In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a video into a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to embed your own videos so your PDFs become interactive, compelling, and perfect for presentations, proposals, or just sharing information in a more engaging way. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to open up your PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Now, Acrobat can look pretty packed with tools, so if you're feeling a little overwhelmed, don't worry, I'll guide you through. At the top of your screen, you'll see the Tools menu. Go ahead and click into it. You're looking for something called Rich Media. Sometimes it's right there, but depending on your setup, you might have to scroll down or tap on More Tools to find it. Acrobat keeps all its media options tucked away here so you don't accidentally turn your PDF into a movie theater by mistake. Okay, now that you've got the Rich Media tool open, let's talk about actually placing your video. Select the Add Video tool from the toolbar. This is the fun part, where you decide exactly where on your page your video will live. Click and drag your mouse to draw a rectangle on your PDF page. This rectangle acts as the video screen for your embedded media. If you want the video front and center, drag right there. If it's meant to be a little bonus off to the side, that's fine too. You can always adjust this later, so don't stress if it isn't perfect on your first try. Once you release the mouse button, you'll see a pop-up dialog labeled Insert Video. Here, Acrobat gives you two options. You can browse for a video file right from your computer, or if you have a direct URL for a video that's hosted online, you can paste that in instead. Most folks will be choosing a local file, maybe a training video, a client testimonial, or a demonstration. So, go ahead and click Browse, navigate to the right file, and click OK. If you're using a URL, just make sure it's a direct link to the media file, not a streaming page. Otherwise, Acrobat may not recognize it. Great. So your video has landed on the PDF, but let's make it really work for you. If you right-click on the video object, you'll see some customization options. You might want to set how the video plays. Does it start automatically, or wait until the reader clicks play? You can also set a poster image, which is kind of like a thumbnail that displays before the video starts, making the layout look neat and giving the viewer a hint of what's coming. Take a moment to explore these settings and find what fits your document's style and purpose. Once you're happy with how the video's set up, don't forget to save your PDF. This step is crucial. It locks in all your changes. I always recommend saving under a new file name or keeping a backup, just in case. The saving process may take a second, especially if your video file is large, so give Acrobat a moment to finish up. And there you have it. Your PDF now features a fully embedded video. This feature can really transform a dull static document into something much more interactive and memorable. If you enjoyed this tutorial or have any questions about inserting media in your PDFs, please let me know in the comments below, and I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe for more practical Adobe tips, and I'll see you in the next video.